Christmas is right around the corner. Comment down below if you have started shopping for Christmas or if you have started putting your decoration up for Christmas. Comment down below. I don't really do decoration or that stuff. I used to do it when the kids were very little, but I don't do it anymore.
And y'all, our tree is
We're doing it this year.
And like shopping wise, now the kids are old enough to tell me what they want, so I don't buy unnecessary stuff.
And y'all,
But when they were little, I used to just get a whole lot of stuff and and stuff for them. But now they are old enough to tell me what they want. So I just tell the kids to put it in their cards or what they want. Then I can work towards that. In that way, we don't waste unnecessary money, and they ain't gonna use it, So that's a good thing when your kids are old enough to tell you what they want. Even sometimes they tell you what they want when they get it, they don't use it anyway. They use it 1 or 2 times, they're done with it. Anyway, right now I'm heading to workout. Hope you all having an awesome day so far. Today is Thursday, so right now I'm about to go and renew my driver license and also get a tag for my car. So that's the plan for this morning. From there, after that I might go to work later. I'll go to work later. So pretty much the main goal is to renew my license. I didn't know my license have expired because I thought I still had more time. I know I needed to get a tag though because my birthday was on the 20th, but I didn't know I had to renew my license this time. So I don't know how often is it every 4 or 8 years? I don't know, but anyway, my license expired. So I need to go and renew that. Hopefully the place not so packed today. I wanted to do it yesterday when I got a text saying you need to renew your license. I'm like, what? What are you talking about? So, okay. When I got a text saying I need to renew my license, I need to renew my do that because it's very important I do that because the job that I do, you need a license because you have to drive the clients around and other stuff, so, or the individuals around too. So the job that I do, I need to renew my license, so I need to take care of that as soon as possible. If the line is not so long, I might do both today, but if it's super long, I have other stuff to do, so I might just renew my license and come and get them tagged tomorrow or the latest on Saturday. So we'll see what happens. So that's a goal, y'all. Yeah, it's very important I get this done because I can't work without a driver license. So I need to take care of this. Well, I will see you guys when I get there. So I'm here. But it's not really that bad than I thought it was gonna be. So we'll see.
Serving Old 801 at window 7.
So yeah, I was able to get it, and they gave this paper that you have to wait 10 days. Then they'll send the hard copy in the mail. So it was not that bad. It was not super packed today, but yeah, I was there for at least an hour. So anyway, I'm going to go here and put some gas in my car. Then I might go and vacuum this car today. Then after that, then I can start working. So they never have receipt stuff in there. Every time you come, you have to go in there. They always out of paper in there. So yeah. So my daughter took the cover out yesterday, so she's gonna wash it. She's gonna put it back today. So like head to the car wash.